On-screen evaluation best practices. Ergonomic setup for comfortable and efficient on-screen marking. Set a workstation successfully. To reduce strain during online marking, on-screen marking, ensuring comfort and productivity, and preventing discomforts or injuries associated with prolonged computer use in digital assessment environment. Use of annotation tools and shortcuts for faster grading. Utilize annotation tools and keyboard shortcuts to expedite grading processes, enhancing efficiency and reducing repetitive tests, while maintaining accuracy and consistency in assessment outcomes in digital evaluation. Regular break to prevent eye strain and fatigue. Take periodic breaks to alleviate eye strain, prevent fatigue, and maintain focus during on-screen marking sessions, promoting well-being and sustainable productivity throughout the grading process in digital assessment tasks. Consistent criteria and rubrics for fair assessment. Establish clear assessment criteria and rubrics to guide grading decision consistently, ensuring fairness and transparency in evaluating student performance and maintaining integrity in digital assessment process. Collaboration and communication with colleagues for calibration and feedback. Engage in collaboration and communication with colleagues to align grading standards, fostering professional development, and ensuring consistency in assessment policies across digital evaluation environment.